Hi friends, welcome to math, lesson 11. Today is Monday the 14th, and I'm excited to start a new week with you guys on math. I hope you did your very best on your math test last Friday, and every time we learn new things in our math lesson, these are the kind of things that will be tested on when we do our tests. So thank you so much for paying attention and following along. The first one that we're going to do today is trace the number 10. A 10 is made by making a 1 and a 0 next to each other. Okay, so get your pencil. I'm going to use my marker so that you can see it's a little darker. And we're going to start first by writing the number 10. So make a 1, come straight down, and that is all. And then we're going to make an oval for our 0. I think maybe last time I was singing make a circle and that is all, but it's actually make an oval and that is all to make the number 0. Okay, go to the next dot. 1 and 0. 1 and 0 together make a 10. Now the next dot we're going to make another 1 and a 0 to make the number 10. One more time. 1, 0. Okay. Now we're going to need our crayons. Just a reminder, if you ever need to push pause so that you can catch up to me, that is just fine. Okay, number 2 is going to tell us to color the shapes. It says color the first shape blue. Which is the first shape? What shape is this? I hope you said triangle. Triangle should be blue. I'm going to outline it, and then I'm going to color it in. Blue. Okay, now don't get tricked. This is kind of tricky. Okay. Now it says color the last shape yellow. Where's the last shape? Point to the last shape. Here's the first shape. Where's the last? The last is at the end. Here is a hexagon. Say hexagon. Get your yellow crayon and color the hexagon yellow. Okay. Next, color the third shape red. This is the first shape, so it goes first, second, third. The circle should be colored red. Then it says color the second shape green. First, second. We know it's that one because that's the only one left, but we want to check our work to make sure. Okay, second shape green. Did you know that green's one of my favorite colors? I really like green and I really like purple. Maybe next time we're on our Zoom call, you should tell me what your favorite color is. Remind me. Okay. Now, number 3 says point to the tower on the left. We have 2 towers, 1, 2. The one on the left is the one that is shaded, that has shaded marks right above the circle. Point to that one. How many squares are shaded? Let's start at the bottom. We'll count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the answer in the circle below the tower. Down and around and give it a hat. Okay. Next. Point to the tower on the right. So we just did the tower on the left. Now we're doing the tower on the right. Okay, you have to listen very carefully. Color more squares. Begin at the bottom. So you can choose a crayon, any color you want. I'm going to choose purple. And it's telling you to color more squares than 5. Start at the bottom, color more. That means you need to color above what's already shaded, okay? So that many is the same. We need to do more. So you can color 1 more, or 2 more, or 3 more. I'm going to color 2 more. So I'll only have 1 square at the top that's not colored. I know it can kind of take a few minutes to color a bunch of squares, so push pause if you need to. Write the number of squares you colored on the line below the tower. So mine will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you do the same as me, or did you do more than me? Or you could have done less than me, but still had more than the shaded. Okay. Now this one's gonna tell you to write some letters on these lines. You have to pay attention to which line to do first. You need your pencil. Okay, write a T on the last line. This one's first, second, third. So the last one is this one, the third one. Write a B on the first line. Here's the first one, B, and then write an A on the second line. We actually just spelled a word. Do you know what it says? It says B-A-T, bat, bat. Nice work, everybody. That is the math lesson for today. When you're done with your worksheet, I would love if you can practice counting to 40, all right? So remember, when we count, we have to make sure that we're saying all the numbers correctly. So I'm gonna count with you to 40 today, and then that will be all for math today, okay? So follow along with me. I'm gonna snap and count at the same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to the next 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. What's next? 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Say 40 with me. 40. Nice work. You can practice counting anytime at home, and that would be good practice. Talk to you soon.